Hello, Peter here. Today I'm going to show you how to apply a screen protector that is made out of glass, a tempered glass screen protector, and I also have a soft plastic film for the back of the phone. You'll need a wet wipe with alcohol, a dry wipe or a wipe that you use for glasses in order to clean the screen, and some stickers. You might do this job without the stickers, they just help me. First thing, remove all the protections of the phone. Okay? Take off the case. Sorry. Okay. And remove any screen protectors that you have applied before. On the back and on the front, because I'm going to change both of them. So just put your finger in between your screen and your protector and peel it off. It's going to break, yeah. But it should come off in one piece, because it's tempered glass. That's the thing with tempered glass. No matter how much you break it, it's still going to stick together. It has a plastic film. Okay. Now let's remove the back. Be careful not to cut yourself in the process, by the way, because glass, especially in small shards, might be able to hurt you. Now the phone is clean, and remove any specks of glass that you might have lying on the table. Okay. Gently wipe the screen a little with the dry one, so you remove any excess pieces, as well on the back and the table. And now take the wet wipe and make sure the screen is very well cleaned. You want no particles. Any particle is going to make the screen protector not adhere to your phone. Okay, I think this should be enough. Take the dry wipe and have one movement, like one direction. I'm going to go up and down. Look through the side of the phone or to any piece to see if there are any specks of dust still on the phone. There should be no specks of dust on the phone. Okay. Be very careful with this step. Sorry, I'm quite concentrated on this. So I see that the screen still has some glue, and I'm going to take the wet wipe again and give it a rub. Take as much time as you need in order to do a proper job. Okay, looks okay, but there are still some specks of dust, so here the stickers might come in help. This is a sticker for removing dust. So just look where is dust and stick it. To remove any excess dust. Now the screen is perfectly ready for the next step. Okay. Take your glass protector, and you don't have to do this. I usually stick labels like this, the small stickers, to guide myself. It's not necessary, you might do this with your bare hands, but it helps me. Again, check the screen. Looks okay. Peel off the adhesive. Here's the handy part. I can grab the screen protector by the stickers and align your phone with the screen protector. Okay. So I think that's it. Yeah. Now take something hard or your fingers and rub across the screen protector. Pull out any excess bubbles. Press very hard until you have no more bubbles. Okay, so very hard. You have to do this now because if you don't, they're going to stick forever. Push them to the side. Okay, so that's for the front. And now let's go on the back. We're going to repeat the procedure. Take the wet wipe, give it a good rub. Okay, so now it's clean. Let's take another look with our dust remover. Okay, looks clean. Now we're going to apply the soft plastic one for the back of the phone. Again, I'm going to apply some guide stickers. I'm going to remove the protector, the adhesive. Be very careful not to touch the adhesive. And take care aligning the protector. Okay, you can remove it, especially the plastic one. It's way easier to remove if it didn't go well in the first time, because it will not break. It doesn't want to align properly, sorry. Okay. Looks pretty close to what I want to do. No. Take as much time as you need and align it correctly. Great, that's it. Now take something hard and press again to remove any bubbles. I don't know, the wipe with your fingers. The soft plastic one is going to be way easier. And just push the bubbles out. And yeah, well, in the end remove any guide stickers without removing the case, the protector. Take care of this. Great, and for the best protection, put on a case. And yeah, that's it.